Cheap Android tablets are all the rage in a market supposedly dominated by Apple and Samsung. From eBay to Wish and every online retailer in between, there's a low-budget alternative that promises to give you the portable entertainment and productivity fix you crave for under $200. I'm Christian from Make Use Of, and for the past few weeks I've been using the DragonTouch Max10 tablet. It's not the first budget Android slate I've used, but it's almost certainly the best. Packing a 1.6 GHz octa-core CPU, 2 GB of RAM, 32 GB of built-in flash storage expandable to 8 GB and running Android 9.0, this lightweight tablet has cheap build quality and ships with a low-quality screen protector on the 10.1-inch 1200 by 1920 pixel glass-on-glass touch display. There's no IPS or other snazzy display enhancements, but it's good enough. For connectivity, the tablet boasts 2.4 and 5 GHz wireless networking and Bluetooth 4.0. Meanwhile, the battery powers up to 8 hours of continuous music or 5 hours for video and browsing. The rechargeable battery connects to a USB-C port which also handles data, and there's a 3.5mm audio jack as an alternative to the dual single-watt speakers. A microphone is also built in, while the tablet has front and rear cameras at 5 and 8 megapixels respectively. Now, on first impressions, the Max10 doesn't inspire. The micro SD slot is hard to get to, which bodes well for long-term security of your expansion slot. Otherwise, it seems a pretty run-of-the-mill, unsurprising for the price bracket. It benchmarks low too. Again, no surprise, but it's a surprisingly pleasant experience. My main tablet is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S4, which is essentially a backup for my main computer. The Max10 is quite a different experience, but for much of the review period I scarcely thought about the Samsung. DragonTouch has released a low-budget slate that manages to combine the necessary productivity, entertainment and relaxation dynamic with little effort. Now, part of the success of this unit is its reliance on stock Android 9.0. We've seen other Android tabs with unnecessary enhancements, over-the-top menus, additional UI elements, and further distractions that just confuse. Here, the experience is straightforward and clear, optimized for usability. Despite the low benchmarking, we had no problem running any app. Video streamed perfectly, for example, with YouTube and Prime receiving particular attention. Other Amazon apps worked equally well, from online shopping to audiobooks and reading. Kindle isn't the heaviest app out there, but a tablet needs to be held for reading, at least some of the time, and the low-quality plastic finish of the DragonTouch Max10 is at least grippable. This is in no small part down to the rougher plastic finish on the tablet's two longer sides. Testing games, meanwhile, I found that the tablet performed well again, leaving me with a feeling of familiarity. There really isn't much between the Max10 and an Amazon Fire 10 HD. If you're looking for a budget 10-inch tablet for video streaming and other entertainment and don't necessarily want to buy into the Amazon ecosphere, this similarity makes the Max10, in many ways the superior tablet, an excellent option. While benchmarking low, missing 2K video, a poor quality plastic chassis, and the unusual colour on rear camera photos, the Max10 remains a perfectly adequate tablet for the majority of your needs. Gaming, video streaming, online shopping, browsing the web, and social media are all accessible with this device. It is not an iPad, nor is it a Samsung or a Microsoft Surface, but as a non-Amazon alternative to the Fire 10 HD tablet and other budget competitors, the DragonTouch Max10 is a smart choice. Enjoy this video. For more hardware reviews and giveaways, not to mention tips and tricks, subscribe to the Make Use Of YouTube channel. Yeah. This affordable Android tablet is up for grabs, and you could be lucky enough to be the happy owner of a DragonTouch Max10 Android tablet. To enter this giveaway, read the full review and type this code into the competition widget, Perfect10. The competition ends in around 3 weeks' time and the winning entry will be notified by email. Get your entries in today and good luck.